Common mallow is an invasive plant growing throughout the United States. Though the plant is known to be forageable, it should be treated as a weed when it grows in places it shouldn't. Common mallow on your property will compete with your plants and grass for sunlight, water, and nutrients. In this video, we'll go over how to identify common mallow, how to get rid of this weed on your property, and how to prevent it from growing back. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Common mallow is a low-growing broadleaf weed. It has a stem that can grow vertically or parallel to the ground, growing up to 2 feet. Young plants grow as a basal rosette. The leaves grow alternately arranged and are dark green to purple in color. They are round or kidney-shaped with a crinkled appearance. The stems and leaves are covered in short hairs. This plant produces white to light lavender flowers with dark veins. These flowers have 5 petals. The fruit common mallow produces are said to look like small buttons or wheels of cheese. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Common mallow grows in areas with disturbed soil and sites with little competing foliage. You may find this plant growing in footpaths, roadsides, lawns, and croplands. Common mallow spreads from spring to fall, with flowers blooming from April to May through to October. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To eliminate common mallow on commercial or residential properties, use a selective post-emergent herbicide that's labeled not to injure your property's turf grass. If you have weeds growing on properties with cool season grasses, we recommend 2,4-diamine. The labeled application rate for spot treatments with this product is 1/4 of a pint of concentrate mixed into 3 gallons of water, or 1 2/3 fluid ounces of concentrate mixed into 1 gallon of water. If you have weeds growing on properties with warm season grasses, we recommend Fahrenheit Herbicide. For spot applications, mix 0.2 ounces of the product per 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. Keep in mind that when making applications over St. Augustine grass, Bermuda grass, or zoysia grass, temporary stunting or chlorosis may occur. To enhance this product's efficacy, mix in a surfactant like Nanotek. Nanotek is a non-herbicide product designed to improve the adhesion and penetration of pesticides onto treated surfaces. Just add 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. For either of these products, we recommend you mix and apply your herbicide with a handheld sprayer. Spot treat any weed you found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Reapplication intervals with 2,4-diamine range from 21 to 30 days. Reapplication intervals with Fahrenheit range from 4 to 6 weeks. Applications are most effective when the plant is young and actively growing before flower or seed production. Once you've removed common mallow and other weeds from your property, look out for any new activity. If any new weeds emerge, mechanical removal can suppress the spread of weeds. We recommend mowing your grass at regular intervals to maintain a thick growing density. A lawn dense with taller, trimmed grass can better choke out weeds and prevent them from establishing. Finally, apply fertilizer to promote your lawn's health. Fertilizer provides your turf with essential nutrients that helps the grass defend itself against weeds, pests, and diseases. Consider Solutions 15-5-10 Weed and Feed with Trimec. This product in particular will eliminate weeds while providing a steady supply of nutrients for your turf. For general applications, you can distribute at a rate of 3.2 to 4.0 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can remove common mallow from your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.